Hi, welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about movement of materials in and out of cells. Diffusion happens because of the kinetic energy of the particles. It doesn't need an extra source of energy from respiration. However, sometimes a cell needs to take in substances when there is a very little of that substance outside the cell. In other words, against the concentration gradient. It can do this by another process called active transport. During active transport, a cell uses energy from respiration to take up substances, rather like a pump uses energy to move a liquid from one place to another. The pumps are large protein molecules located in the cell membrane, and they are driven by the breakdown of ATP. An example of place where this happens is in the human small intestine, where some glucose in the gut absorbed into the cell lining the intestine by active transport. The roots of plants also take up certain mineral iron in this way. Cells use active transport to control the uptake of many substances. Water moves across cell membranes by special sort of diffusion called osmosis. Osmosis happens when the total concentrations of all dissolved substances inside and outside the cell are different. Water will move across the membrane from the more dilute solution to the more concentrated one. Notice that this is still obeying the rules of diffusion. The water moves from where there is a higher concentration of water molecules to a lower concentration of water molecules. Osmosis can only happen if the membrane is permeable to water, but not to some other solutes. We say that it is partially permeable. Osmosis is important for moving water from cell to cell, for example, in plant roots. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button, subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to be notified of the future videos.